This video walks you through how to recover your TurboTax password. If you have forgotten your TurboTax password, start by opening the TurboTax or Intuit sign-in page. On that screen, enter your email address or your user ID to begin. This takes you into the normal sign-in flow, even if you do not remember the password yet. Make sure you enter the account information connected to the TurboTax account you want to access before moving forward. After that, continue to the password screen. Under the Sign In with a Passkey button, select Forgot Password. This opens the password recovery process for your Intuit account. If you are looking closely at the sign-in options, make sure you choose Forgot Password and not another recovery or sign-in method, unless you plan to use the account option tied to your existing account access. Once you select Forgot Password, follow the prompts to verify your identity. TurboTax and Intuit will use the verification method already associated with your account. That may be your email address or your phone number. Choose the available option that matches the account details you can access, then complete the verification step as prompted on screen. If a code is sent to you, enter it in the field provided and continue once your identity is confirmed. After verification is complete, you will arrive at the screen that says it is time to update your password. On this screen, click into the New Password field and enter the password you want to use going forward. Make sure you type the new password carefully so it matches what you intend to save. If the screen asks you to confirm it, enter the same password again exactly as written the first time. When the new password is in place, select Update Password to save the change. Give the page a moment if it needs time to process the update. Once that is done, your account will be ready to use with the new sign-in details. You can now sign in to TurboTax using the password you just created and continue working on your tax return. Enter your account information, type the new password, and complete the sign-in process as usual. If you actually remember your current password during this process and you do not want to change it, select Skip I know my password if that option appears on screen. That lets you return without resetting anything. Your TurboTax password is now updated and your account is ready to sign in with the new password.